Shannon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use two of our products. First, I'm going to show you how to apply the Forever Hot Stamping Foil and then overlap it with the Forever Laser Dark to create your unique design. Alright, so the next step is you print your design onto your Forever Laser Dark. If you need to refer back to one of our previous videos to show you step-by-step how to do that, it'll be in the link below. Okay, so for this particular design, what we're going to do is the hot stamping foil first. You want to put that part of the design in complete black. And set that aside to use later. And you want to press at 320 degrees for about 30 seconds. And now that we have that done, we're going to set this aside to cool so we can do a cold peel. So now that we've had time to cool down and we did a nice cold peel, we're going to put this back onto the press. Take our hot stamping foil, silicone paper, and press for 30 seconds at 320 degrees. Now that we've had that pressed, we're going to set this aside to let it cool. Okay, so now the next step, now that we're completely cooled, is we're going to peel the foil. And now we are ready for our next step of applying the rest of our design. We want to get it lined up, just so. And then with the silicone. And press for 30 seconds at 320 degrees. Now that we have that pressed, we're going to set this aside to do a cold peel. Okay, so now that we have completely cooled, we are ready to do a peel. And now we're ready for our final press. You want to press for another 30 seconds at 320 degrees. Remember to cover with your silicone sheets. And now we have our finished product. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the products we used today, the Forever Hot Stamping Foil or the Forever Laser Dark, please don't hesitate to give us a call or visit us on the siistore.com.